Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm London and I have a product that I want to share with you guys. You guys know the summer is coming up and it's hot outside. So DREO sent me a tower fan. I'm the type of girl that prefer a fan over the air conditioning any day because I am cold natured and I just feel like the air is just way too much. So we have the DREO tower fan. Very excited to share this with you guys. Okay, so this tower fan pretty much came already assembled. The only thing you had to do was snap the base together, and that was so easy. And then you just attach it to the bottom. What I love the most and what's so important to me is that it wasn't one of those bulky fans. This one actually is sleek and actually look nice in your home. It comes with a remote and can also be controlled by using the app directly from your phone. This fan has 4 modes, 6 speed levels, and rotates up to 90 degrees and provides cooling up to 29 feet. This feature helps to cool the entire room without having to run your AC, and it's so quiet. Save yourself some money this summer. Grab this fan because it's going to be a hot one. Also, be sure to check the description for the link and use my code for a discount.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get it all, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny.
Guys, happy Saturday. Happy Saturday, you guys. We just made it into our room. It's not a big room, but it's really nice. And we had a nice dinner at Little Alley. We had steak, loaded baked potato. We had this salad wedge. I didn't really like that because it had, what is that called? Blue cheese. They don't have ranch there, so. And then we had some lobster bites. Y'all, it was so good, everything. I've had a nice anniversary so far. And got my little husband.
He's out here chilling, marinating.
He's out here relaxing. We got some wine. Babe got him a, oh, I gotta show you guys what Babe got for his anniversary. He got him a nice little gift that, something he's been wanting. Babe, we should have got some ice on the way up here. I put some in my cup.
Oh, they got ice up there.
Oh, I brought a bottle of Cardinal sweet red wine. But yeah, we just got in today. Didn't do much today. Cleaned up my bathroom. That's about it. I feel like that took me a long time. The reason why it took me a long time was because them little containers that's on my my counter at my sink, I cleaned all of that out. It was some hair oil spilled. I didn't have no idea about. It was a lot, so I got that done. I got up kind of late this morning. I slept in, like in. I woke up around 8 and then I went back to sleep. Babe left this morning. He had a few errands to run. And then, well, he actually went and got me a gift. He bought me some perfume. I got some Prada perfume and roses and a beautiful card. Yeah, so that's what our day consisted of. We stayed here at this hotel before. They have a really nice rooftop area, kind of like where you can lounge, but I know that's where Babe wanted to go, and it's raining, so we won't be sitting outside.
Well, we can sit outside because it's covered.
I thought it was open.
No, it's covered.
There's two parts.
Yeah, it's covered. No,
Look, babe, want to show y'all what he got.
Dang. So I just got a suitcase. Something slight.
Like, happy anniversary.
Got my bourbons.
He got his bourbons in there and some cigars. Bring that closer.
Karen's.
So he's been wanting this little case here so he can travel with some bourbons if he wants to, you know, just kind of like how we are now. Take some cigars and smoke outside on the rooftop. We plan on going to see some other friends in a couple weeks over in Savannah, Georgia. He's into like cigars and bourbons too. Like the guys, all of the guys are just into cigars and bourbons. And I mean, it's a pretty cool thing because it's something fun for them to do and a nice little hobby for babe. But so he's able to bring 2 bottles. So he has some, what is this? Taylor single barrel.
Huge Taylor single barrel.
And then, what is
Midwinter Night's Dram. This is a rye.
And then it comes with the Glencairn glasses, and he gets 4. So yeah, this
You
is
get
pretty
1, 2,
nice.
3, 4, 5, 6 spots for cigars.
Yep. Babe, is this has bourbon in it?
This has bourbon in it.
Yeah, these are like flask.
Yeah, they have bourbon.
You have
in the shape of cigars.
you put something in there?
Yeah. This is Larceny. This is Joseph Magnus, Fiddler, Old Elk cigar cuts.
Then he has a cigar cutter, and then a torch. And then what is this? This is a thing.
That's my punch.
A punch.
I like to punch my cigars.
Yeah.
I don't like to cut them.
So yeah, he's all set, you guys.
Yeah.
Carrying that thing on the elevator to come up here was kind of awkward because I know the people was like, "What's in that box?" That man said something about his watch. I'm like, "Hey, that's a nice watch." I'm thinking like he really want to know what's in that box.
It's in that box of yours.
Yeah, so
Radio.
he got his little radio, his JBL speaker.
It's going down
Got
tonight.
all his little gadgets.
Yeah.
But yeah, so good so far, you guys. We had a good day. I was a little bummed the other day because I couldn't get that video out, but it is what it is. Hopefully this video will be able to get it up with ease. You know, you just never know. But wanted to check in and give you guys an update. We enjoyed our dinner. Like I said, it was so nice. And the vibes, the ambiance is so nice there. It's a beautiful restaurant. So yeah, that's just about it. I'm about to lay here just for a minute because I'm sure pretty soon he's gonna want to go up to the top, and we'll be up there for a little while. I'll bring you guys along when we do.
You know just how to touch.
Hi guys, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, you guys. We are back home from our staycation. We had a really good time. It was so nice to just relax, listen to some music, and hang out with my babe, aka my Logie Bear. That's what I call my husband. That's like his little nickname. I'm not sure if you guys know that. His name is Logan, and I call him Logie Bear sometimes. So that's his little nickname. But anyways, we've been home for maybe an hour or so, and I just vacuumed the stairs and my room, and then my vacuum died. These were the flowers my husband got me for my anniversary, and I didn't put them in my other vase because I just didn't feel like the hassle. And these are Mother's Day flowers, and as you guys can see, it's time to really get rid of these. So I'll be getting rid of those probably today if I feel up to it. But yeah, I'm just chilling right now. Babe took Amari to work. I had fun last night, y'all, with my husband. We had a good time. We sure did. But it was much needed. Sometimes you just need that, you know, to get away. we're literally launching into our empty nesting era, and we was talking about what we're gonna be doing, like our plans, our goals, and things that we want to do. We want to just get out more, do more things, and yeah, just do us. I feel like we deserve it. We've been available for our kids, as all of us parents are, for over 25 years, so it's well deserved, I feel, in my opinion. All we have left is Lovey, and technically she can go too. If Amari can take her to college, she would be right along with him, because it's just a responsibility for me. But she's such a sweet dog. She doesn't bother anybody, and yeah, she ain't going nowhere. I love my Lovey. I wouldn't even know what to do without her. So we're just enjoying our Sunday in the house. I was drinking a glass of wine, just, you know, I did some work for work actually, and yeah, that's it. It's a really chill Sunday, and I just wanted to pick you guys up and say hey, let you guys know we made it home, let you guys know we had a great time. The hotel is really beautiful. It's so pretty in there, and the rooms are really nice. And we met some nice people last night that was up on the rooftop as well. Of course, Babe started talking about, they were talking about bourbons, because they saw his case that he got for, I was gonna say his birthday, but for our anniversary. And that was nice, you know, just chatting with other people, getting out, you know, that was always nice. Because you know what, meeting friends at this age is kind of hard, you know. It's really hard meeting friends. When we do meet people, we really appreciate it, and we don't take it for granted, because it's not often. It's not often. So, but anyways, don't know what else I'll be doing. I do have some clothes towels that's in the dryer, because we were out of towels, y'all, and yeah, I need to wash them. So we have some in the dryer right now. When they come out, I will be folding those, putting them up. But we're gonna be pretty much relaxing and getting ready for the week.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough.
You guys, I got one of these little, I don't know what you call these, almost like a little fire pit, but for the house. You can put it like on your table, or, you know, like your counter. So I'm putting it together, but I'm trying to figure out if this go in here like that, and then you just kind of pour the alcohol on there. These are the instructions. I've been so excited to get this going, y'all. I've been wanting one of these for so long, and I finally got one. And the glasses, both of them, I guess you put one on each side there, like that. And then the other right here. I mean, it's a real simple, easy little put together. That's all I had to do, literally. And then this is what you would use to like put the fire out, I guess, like over the top like that. So I gotta figure out if I have some alcohol. If not, I'm gonna have to run to the store, because I do want to try this out. One of these little things. So cute, right? Found some, guys. So I guess we're gonna pour some of this alcohol in here and just let it soak up.
When it comes to alcohol, I have a chateau to run.